This is the Netgear FS726TP 24 port networking switch. We're going to plug it in and show you the lights, the Christmas lights. Okay, so pass the self-test. I'm going to zoom out. And the power button stays lit. Okay, we're going to turn the lights on and show you a defect. There's some separation right there. A little separation where the rack attachment was. You can hear the fan turn on. Other than that, it's a working, usable unit. Comes with 2 blanks, and that's the Netgear FS726TP 24 port networking switch. I'm going to power it off.